I made your recipe from Serious Eats on Monday for dinner because in my household, where everybody kind of agrees on crispy chicken, it's like a great dinner item because I had fun testing the recipes this week because it was like a dinner that everybody agreed on. And I do something different, which is that I skip the flour dredge.
You skip the flour.
Exactly. Just to do a little background before we get into it. My mother-in-law makes them this way, and I always like her chicken cutlets. So I tried them, and I was like, wait, I don't need to use the flour at all. I found that they were just so crunchy, so crisp. They didn't have that breading taste at all. Like you just got the crunch and not like that. Sometimes that floury gummy layer. There was none of that.
Yeah.
And I loved it. And that's what became the crispiest chicken cutlet recipe on Smitten Kitchen.
Yeah. So it's interesting because, when I was doing testing for my chicken katsu recipe, the one that's on Serious Eats and the one that's in my book, The Walk, what I found was that at least in that case, and it could be because like I think mine you dry brine the chicken so there's like some amount of moisture on it. Was that without the flour layer, like the flour layer basically added it evened out the moisture on the surface of the chicken so that when you add the breadcrumbs, you get a real even coating and a real even golden brown. Because I found that without the flour layer, at least in my recipe, when you fried it, the chicken would end up sort of a little splotchy as opposed to like an even golden brown. However, doing yours, where yours is just thighs, and it's just like the simplest possible recipe. You season it, you dip it into eggs, and then you put it in breadcrumbs and you fry it, and that's it. I think maybe it's like because there's no brining involved, or there's no like time for surface moisture to really beat up or anything, that the flour seems unnecessary in yours, because yours came out nice and crispy and even.
Even if they were not the crispiest you've ever had, that's okay.